Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to a special video made for retail and pro traders. And after 2 or 3 days, I'll be posting the same video to the public also for the benefit of public to know the power of short straddle and the subsequent adjustment trade that we do. For retail trader and pro trader, what I do, as soon as I take the position, I just update to them through YouTube, and those who want to follow me, they also take the trade at their own risk. People who join the paid channel, they've been taking the trades, they've been making profits. Of course, they are doing at their own risk. We have a standard disclaimer. But the people who joined recently, they keep asking, sir, I missed taking the position which you have given 2-3 weeks before. Can I take the position now? So I suggest them, don't take now, because your risk reward will be different. So if you join the channel along the way, if you become a paid member along the way, you just continue to watch our trades and how it is going, then probably after 1 or 2 more weeks, we will start taking trade in the month of August series. So when we start the August series trade, you can take those trades, and of course, you take the trade at your own risk. So don't worry about the missing opportunity. The market will always be there and you must be there. So if you miss out 1 month, nothing is very big, and in fact, for most of the people, we suggest them just watch for some time and do some virtual trading, and then once you become a confident, you can go ahead and do the trade. So let me explain to you. I have taken 3 trades this month, major trade. I call them as a base trade, and then do the adjustment trade. So let me talk about first trade, Bank Nifty short straddle trade. I have given 2 trades in Bank Nifty. First trade was a short straddle. In the beginning of this month, Bank Nifty was trading around 21,500. I checked 21,500 call option, 21,500 put option, put together, the total premium was 2,400 rupees. Which means market goes up by 2,400 point or goes down by 2,400 point. Still, you are not going to lose anything by the expiry date. So I thought market is not going to make such a big move on either side. So I decided to do short straddle. After doing the short straddle, what happened? The Bank Nifty actually came down. Then I started selling some weekly options. Then the next week, again the market shot up, and I closed all the weekly options, and then the 21,500 straddle, I shifted to 22,000. And this time market was bullish. In weekly options, I sold put options. Again the next week, again the market shot up. I closed all the weekly options, and I shifted short straddle to 22,500. So which I am going to show you now how it has performed. You can see here, I sold Bank Nifty 21,500 call option here, and then shifted to 22,000, then again shifted to 22,500 call. And if you are looking at the put option, so 21,500 put option, 22,000. So in my personal account, I did not bring it to 22,000 short straddle, and then straight away I brought it to 22,500. I made some slight changes in this particular account. Because I am trading in many accounts, so I may not be following whatever I am updating in YouTube in all the accounts. 1 or 2 accounts, there may be some changes. So you can see here, those short straddle trades alone which I have taken, and it is showing about 3.5 lakh rupees profit. And along with that, all the reference date, the 2nd of June, I have done some weekly options that is showing about 1,14,000 profit. Then 9th June about 62,000 profit, and 16th June there are some options are open already. So if you see the total profit, it is showing about 8 lakh rupees as the profit. So this is the power of short straddle. Whenever I say all these things, some people they go to some software, they do the back testing. Sir, I've done the back testing, sir, and it is not giving this much profit. Remember, we are different from others. We don't take any short straddle and we sit until the end of the month. So what we do, one thing, after taking the trade in monthly options, we do some reference trade in weekly options, which you don't do in the back testing. Second thing, as and when the market moves, we also keep shifting the straddle. So that is why we started with the 21,500 straddle, then we shifted to 22,000 straddle, now we have shifted to 22,500 straddle. So we move along with the market. So these two are our core strength. Very simple. You do a back testing of a strategy for last 10 years, and if that is working out, then everybody can do that strategy, right? So that is not the way you can make money. If there is any one system works in stock market, and by this time people would have found out, people would have been doing that. I tell you, no system will work. And that is why we keep adjusting our positions. So the approximate capital in this account is about 1 crore. And I have shown you I have made about 8 lakh rupees profit in Nifty, about 4 lakh rupees profit in Bank Nifty, and then you put together it is about 12 lakh rupees profit. For 1 crore capital, 12 lakh rupees profit, which is 12%, and then so far it's only 2 weeks only gone in the month of July, and we have already made 12% profit. Thank you for watching. For the public, I will be going to retail traders and pro traders. For retail traders and pro traders, I have given 2 more strategies. One is Nifty. Now I am going to discuss about that strategy. Last month, Nifty took support at 9,500. So therefore, the beginning of this month, I thought market may go up or it may go down, but it will not go below 9,500. So I devised a ratio spread strategy. What I did, I bought 10,500 put option and sold double the quantity of 10,000 put option. If you look at the payoff chart, the lower break even is at 9,500. And I took this trade because I thought market is not going to fall below 9,500. So in addition to this ratio spread, I also sold 9,500 put and 9,000 put. Because anyway, I thought 9,500 is going to be a support. So the total trade setup was sell 9,000 put, 9,500 put, 10,000 put. All double the quantity, and buy 10,500 put option, single quantity. After I took the trade, 1 week has gone, the market has gone significantly higher. Then what I said, I suggested selling once again 10,000, 9,500 and 9,000 put options. And because even if the market reverses, anyway we are holding the 10,500 put option buy. The first tranche of 10,000, 9,500, 9,000 sold, lost premium significantly due to the time value. So this is the trade I have taken, and I am going to show you how that trade has performed along with some weekly options trade. And this is my back office report. Okay, and I downloaded into an Excel file and I sorted out for easy reference, otherwise it will be taking very long time. And here you can see the 10,500 put option, I bought 750 quantity and I bought at 430, and then I sold 10,000 put option. First I sold 1,500 quantity, again I sold 1,500 quantity, again I sold 750 quantity. So it is showing total 3,700. And 9,000 put option also, first time I sold 1,500 quantity, I left it. Second time I did not sell. 9,500 I sold. And here you can see the total profit figure. In the 10,500 put option, I lost 1,84,000. For your information, since I did not have enough margin, a few days before I squared up all the position. That is why here you are seeing all net quantity 0. I am not holding this position, I squared up all the position. So I lost 1,84,000 rupees in buy option, but I made 2,59,000, 45,000, 1,20,000. So put together the total I made 2,41,000 rupees as the profit. This is only considering the base trade. What I did along the way, I did some weekly trades also. You can see the 2nd July, 9th July, 9th July, 9th July. So these are the weekly options. So there I made some profits here and there, and then the total profit I made in all these Nifty trade is 4,23,000. So this is the potential of a ratio spread. I've taken a ratio spread. When the market went up, I made profit. Even if the market came down also, I would have made profit. I would have been in problem only if Nifty has gone below 9,500, which has not happened. Okay, now you have seen the Nifty strategy. Now I have given one more strategy in Bank Nifty where I sold 22,000 put option, which is in the money put option when the Bank Nifty was at 21,500. I sold it at 1,500 rupees. I have not done that in this account. I have done that in another account where I don't have the back office access. I will try to get that data by the end of this month. But in that particular account, I have done 900 quantity, naked 22,000 put option. And then started doing some reference rates also. And finally, as a reference rate, I suggested selling 25,000 call option in the monthly itself. So I have 22,000 put option and 25,000 call option, and plus I am doing some weekly things. And in that particular account, another account which I will show you later, the approximate capital is about 80 lakh rupees, and I am hoping to make at least 10 lakh rupees profit in that account. So that details I will give you in another video. Thank you for watching.